On January 26, 2025, what began as a parking lot dispute in South Tampa quickly turned into a deadly citywide rampage.
All right, we got a successful pit.
Units, spread out on the interstate, out on the interstate.
Jet flight 99,
Box it in, take the front, somebody take the back. Hold him on the wall there.
Around 8:30 p.m., the suspect, 48-year-old Jeremiah Bailey, struck 4 different people at multiple locations. One of the victims later died from the injuries. At this point, Tampa police located Bailey's vehicle and initiated a pursuit.
David 5-1. Next round.
Right there. That's the car.
Hey, whoever just passed me, turn around. That white car is the Signal 3 car.
That's the guy who just did it. That white car with
He's going northbound on McDill. It's a small white vehicle.
There's a fight in the back of the car. That's it. That's the guy.
Did you cross over to India?
Holy
54. He just turned westbound.
Shift commander authorized more vehicles in the pursuit.
Once we get there, let's back everybody off.
First vehicle, 5-1.
Okay, I got lights over here.
That's 10-4. Just have them parallel as well and try to get stop six. Someone get ahead of the vehicle.
Number 5-1, we're south at Laurel and West Shore, or he's continuing southbound.
Continuing southbound. Roger.
Continuing southbound from Laurel and West Shore, 2223.
5-1, we are approaching Cypress southbound on West Shore.
Let him know when he got it on camera so they can back off. Air 5, we have that vehicle on camera.
PD4 is better counted a mile southeast of Tampa.
PD4, 600 feet.
PD4, roger. And just let me know when you're, where you're going.
We're on station. They're chasing a car that ran into somebody. Just make sure let you know if we need to change, move over the parallels.
Perfect, thanks. That sounds exciting.
Continue the pursuit or not.
305. 305, if we can get SAC units to get in the area and just have the mark units hold off a little if air has it.
Yep.
Signal 5 vehicles.
He's going to be making a eastbound turn to get on the west 275 northbound.
In the area.
Tower P4. Alright, the car thereafter is going eastbound, so we're moving away from the airport, remaining east of the parallels at all times. Air 5, getting clarification from 305.
Here
Are we
it's
going to continue this pursuit or not?
577, ground point 7, good evening.
Going to continue the pursuit. These units need to shut down.
Yes, we're continuing. Mark unit shut down, please. Let air handle it. 500.
Alright, I'll be zooming out here showing that your units turn off their lights. They're getting off the exit. It's continuing northbound on 275, normal speeds of traffic, outside lane. Air 5, since we're headed towards D3, let SAC know. Maybe they can intercept us up here.
The next lane.
Just crossed over Lois, still continuing northbound.
384, same traffic.
And he has got at least one flat tire here, so I don't foresee this car
Tampa
going very much
1744, visual 1 last.
normal speeds of traffic. I'll get you across whenever I can.
Southwest 1744, Taylor South, 1 left clear to land, winds 100 at 10.
How far left clear to land, Southwest 1744?
From Armenia? Probably a half mile. Probably about a half mile. Just now crossing over Himes. Has FHP been notified on this?
Yes.
Alright, Jamal. If they want to help us out, if this guy's going to stay on the interstate. Still northbound 275, I'll get you across when I can.
393, request FHP, please.
Alright, we got a successful pit.
Units, spread out on the interstate. Spread out on the interstate.
Jet flight 99,
Box it in, take the front. Somebody take the back. Hold him on the wall there.
Officers ordered Bailey to exit and show his hands. He did not comply and appeared to reach inside the vehicle. Believing they were facing an imminent threat, 7 officers opened fire. Bailey was struck multiple times and pronounced dead at the scene.
Let me see your hands! Watch crossfire! Let me see your hands! Let me see your f***ing hands!
Hey,
He's reaching!
He's reaching! Show me your hands!
Show me your hands! Watch the crossfire!
Move! Move!
Watch the crossfire! Cease fire! Cease fire!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Everyone, shots fired!
10-3, he's down. Alright. Yep, on you. Okay. Oh, no! One in the car! Back! Back! Get back! Another one? Got one more in the car. Good? Yeah, I'm gonna reload real quick.
Don't you move! Don't move! I got you.
No, he's dead.
He's down. He's down.
You alright?
Good one?
Yep.
All right, we got.
You want to go hands on cover, or you want me to go hands?
Is there somebody else in the car or not? Alex, are you moving people up or are you moving some dog? You don't feel, all right? Watch your gun, dude. I got you. Get in front of him. You get in front of him? Yep. You? Get on there. We're moving up, Alex. Hold on. Alex, over here. Alex, send the dog up this way. Good. Car looks clear. All right, that's cool. Right? Move it. Move. Hey.
I got grazed.
Everybody good? You okay?
I'm fine.
Hold on.
I just got grazed. I'm fine. It's right here.
I don't
I don't know if it's shrapnel or...
Where were you when it happened? I'm still
I was right behind. I was right behind
I'm
it.
going to separate you and we're going to have to stay
Well, I was right behind you.
All right, do me a favor. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I think it's just a graze.
Let me see.
Somewhere here.
Hey, give me a glove.
I'm fine.
I'm going to look.
Hey guys, you good?
She got grazed, so let the fire department know we have. 135 is grazed. We can take it from here. Hey, someone is taken to the hospital.
Yes.
We're transporting her to the hospital now. She's 10-4, but grazed on the leg. Yeah.
You want me to take her?
I'll just have Lambert take it.
Okay.
Hang on, 682, what were you trying to say? You're not coming through.
Hey, you let Amy know that she was grazed?
Yeah. I'm on A-main, yes.
Okay. She counted as a third one?
She's number 2.
Do you want us to wait or take her to the hospital?
No, she's going to the hospital.
With us now?
One person can take her to the hospital.
I'm just saying, like
Yeah,
now?
one, yes, right now. Right now. Lambert, yeah, right now, take her to the hospital. Where's your car?
I'm sorry, can you tell me which exit that is and I can try and help with that?
What?
Are they going?
I don't care who takes her. Someone just needs to take her to the hospital. I don't care who or how, just take her.
Anybody that is still responding?
Yeah, she's fine. It was Rachel's car. She got grazed like right in the back of the leg, but like it just scratched. But let's take her to the hospital. What?
Dead?
Yeah, he's dead.
Yes?
Yes. Yeah, he's dead.
Northbound, shut down the So come up to the street, and then we're going to close the highway for all traffic, 2 hour intermediate. Reconfirm that they're going to TGH, the officers.
Authorities later confirmed no firearm was found in the vehicle. 3 officers sustained non-life-threatening injuries during the incident. The officer-involved shooting remains under review by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. What started as a parking lot dispute escalated into multiple intentional hit-and-runs across South Tampa, ending in a high-speed pursuit, a pit maneuver, and a fatal police shooting. If you enjoy real police pursuit breakdowns and body cam incidents, make sure to subscribe to Infrared Patrol and stay tuned for more detailed incident coverage.